So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Large Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use stopwatch on Samsung. Now stopwatch can be used for many reasons. I mean, if you are in a competition and you want to use it for a competitive reason, I mean, you should be knowing how your smartphone allows you to do that. So for any smartphone, like, head towards the clock application. I mean, today we demonstrate this on a Samsung. So inside the clock application, you will see at the bottom there is alarm, world clock, stopwatch and timer. I will tap on stopwatch because I want to start the stopwatch, and I click on start, and this is how it starts. Then I can stop it, I can resume this, I can stop it, I can reset this. So this is how you basically use the stopwatch. So it's a pretty neat little feature. You should be aware that like under clock there are several options and you want to be tapping on the stopwatch option for you to be in a position to use the stopwatch. So guys, I mean, that's it. I will just kind of demonstrate this again. We went to clock, we saw that there were alarm options, world clock, stopwatch and timer options. Went on stopwatch, tap on start, there you go, it starts. I can anytime stop this, I can reset this and start from the scratch itself. So guys, this is how you would be using stopwatch on Samsung. If you find today's tutorial useful, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family, and do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. If you have a smartphone and if you want to know of a certain feature, do keep us informed. We would love to invest in the smartphone that you have and spend some time researching solutions that can help you and the wider community at large. So that's all from my side. It's me, Amlan, signing off.